into the 10. Oh, Engelman. 36 cars all the way across trying to make a run. He's looking to pound somebody. Here he comes. Oh, Brady! Kettle flies into the Engelman vehicle.
Make that little hit.
24 trying to get her going along with the 306. But Engelman and Hummelcheck trying to get their vehicles going. That leaves the 10, the 2, and the 36 still circling around trying to find someone to hit. Oh, 24's got her going. That's Engelman. And Bushels and all four collide together. Klein swings it around, spins into Engelman. The 306 car's got these and he's fired to roll in too. That's Hummelcheck. 9X is done. 9X is done. Cannot get a moving. Time of the start for the 9X. Still got 5 cars out there wheeling her around. That's the 36 with 10 piling each other. That's Kettle and Engelman. Oh, the 27 piles in the car. That is Engelman. Klein spins it around trying to make a move. 36 Kettle gets the roll. That's where we end up here. All 5 cars still mobile. Engelman and Klein back together. Klein back into the 36. That's Engelman and Kettle. Klein making their out, looking to see who's the next one he's going to smack into. Kettle slowly making his way around, looking for someone to crack into. Klein whips it around. He's going backwards and going only backwards. 10 and 24 together, 36 miles of limit. All 5. Him his regular, give him a round of applause there, folks. Yeah. Got the nice Captain America helmet on there, well done.
Pretty good job. No, he's shut up, I won.
Oh, it's okay.
It's got a broken.
As our far-right Bobcat comes out to make... Klein's going to pile into the 306 to Hummelcheck. Klein still got 20 Bob right off him in the back seat there. Engelman piles into Klein and his takeaway. Engelman trying to get her fired. Both the Engelman and Joe trying to get her Engelman when they're going. Swing around. That's Hummelcheck piling into the 2 car and Klein. Engelman puts another hit on the 10 car of Engelman. Engelman trying to get her fired there. So far, a little bit of smoke. Keep turning over. And Engelman piles into the Klein car. Hummelcheck trying to make move. Oh, he kills it. Gets it going. He's looking around. There we go. Engelman into Klein. Hummelcheck going around. Klein misses him. Making their way through. Engelman's going to take a hit right to the... No, he's going over here. Let's see what we got going on here. As they circle around, looking for Klein. Trying to catch up with Hummelcheck. Swinging around. Engelman piles into Klein as Engelman tries to get her going feverishly, trying to make that thing roll. Engelman and Klein are still pounding in each other there. And the 10 car is done. 10, you're out of time there, my good man. Engelman out of time. So the 10 car is done. Now look at the 306 of Hummelcheck, the 2 of Klein, and the 24 of Engelman. Hummelcheck kind of not moving there. He's trying to get it going. Look around, see what he's going to do. Oh, he's going to take a hit here by an Engelman car. Engelman's
wheeling right there in the soccer ball.
Engelman's looking around, going to hit somebody. Klein watching to see where he's going. Ooh, Klein against the wall there. That's the ball goes. Oh, and he got him right there. Wow. That was a pretty good hit. The Klein Klein car up with the cement barriers. Trying to get it off of there. Jensen is going to give him another one. Helmut's got him
Still
over.
run.
Hey, 306, you're done. You're out of time, buddy. 306, out of time.
Okay, back up now. Touch him.
306, you're out of time there, big guy. Sorry.
All you do is touch him.
That leaves us Inselman
Oh, my God, because going there to...
and Klein.
Oh.
Klein moving on. Get her going. Inselman got her going.
Sprizers are
Both cars are
transmission.
moving.
Hey, back up now.
Here we go. These are the two cars left in this heat.
Yep, just go. Go, go, go.
Inselman puts a hit on Klein.
Go, Kayla. Just go forward. Go forward. So it's
Inselman puts another hit on Klein.
There's...
Klein gets it moving.
Go forward now.
Let's get her going. Inselman hits Klein again. Klein trying to get it going.
There.
Klein gets her backed up. Inselman gets her moved. Inselman piles into Klein. Klein gets her moving. Up against the wall. It's the best spot. Inselman's going to push him into that. He can keep it running that long.
Come on. You can do this.
All the part of the fun of the demo.
Go, Kayla. Just gotta make a hit.
Klein gets her going. She kills. Inselman goes to kill.
Dying.
K2 is done. K2, you're out of time. That's it. Your winner, the 24 car. That's Derek Inselman in the Coastal Club from Lincoln, Minnesota, selected by Inselman at hotmail.com. Nicely done, folks. Nicely done.
Way to go, Kayla!
Your second car, that's for K2 is Klein, Kalins Klein out of Hudson, Minnesota. The third place is with 306 is Kyle Humlicek out of Silver Lake, Minnesota. Selected by Hendrick Concrete and Steel Construction. Your fourth vehicle, that's the 10 Ford Pickup Grand Increment out of Glencoe, Minnesota. Selected by SGS Performance, Collect a Lot of Body and Car.